Okay, but like, let me ask, bro.
Yeah.
Don't you think when the PM is the one who sent the people to fire the mummy?
No, I don't think so. Don't know why. I feel like I think even the prime minister said he's gonna ask Angamkoshana because I think he is the prime minister. Ngifangathi nguye lo akhuluma skena angeke uqoshwe umuntu longakaqashanga. I think nguye prime minister. Kube bathi baqoshwe prime minister vele bataqoshwe. Yeah, I don't think ukuthi prime minister is important. Qoshana.
Bro, I think, like, everyone is trying to prove a point. Because bro, I'm better than they are. I think Usman is trying to show, because you know, Usman like, he's under a label.
Yeah.
It's under record label.
That's why I better.
Jay Katana and Kill Baby, bro, they're independent.
I think it's a 50-50 because I can say
how is
the guy. As the guy in our industry plant, so I donated 251 cows to the king.
251, same day.
Yeah, but the tool, so no, but the tool, that's the double celebration.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Shit. That's crazy.
So I want to say, yeah. My part is out in bed.
200 and something cows.
Yeah, 251.
Shit, bro, that's crazy. 250 something cows, bro. How much?
And my checks are over 20 million.
Over 20 million checks.
Yeah. Man, never send it. Never donate.
That's for the birthday.
Yeah, it's double celebration. Umjida ukabza abenda ubuntu. Yabona? Usena abesebenza nemjida. Ba into lebekade yena bethi ngekho contracted usena contract wise.
Or the Hulumeni.
Yeah. Let me make an example. Then I was when you are pursuing your career, meaning I'm with you. Let me say as a friend. That's what kind of phumelela mina bese I'm hoping ukuthi njengoba ngikubhekela maybe ngikubhekela nangabe because sibheka kakhuluma nestaff other staff.
Hey, what's up with you? It's your boy, the one and only, bro. Always ST, the king. You feel me? I'm back again with another video, bro. Episode 5, the Uncut Bros. You know what I mean? We're back again with our interesting stories, bro. Like the finest stories ever, bro. We're back again. Next to me, bro, is my boy, my nigga, JR on this motherfucker.
Yeah, we're back.
We're back again like we never left, bro.
Yeah, it's episode.
Hey.
Is it episode 5?
Episode 5, the Uncut
Bros. We're back, Bafetu. Stay tuned, Bafetu.
Stay tuned, bro.
Stay tuned.
You know?
We have juicy stories today.
Juicy stories today only, bro.
Yeah.
Juicy stories only, bro. Bro, dog, you won't share about the King's birthday.
Yeah.
Tell me about the King's birthday. What happened? Like, you told me, Uti, how much? How much? Like, how much?
When I donated it, when it's a page in the news.
Yeah.
In cash, they've donated over I think over 20 million.
20 million?
Yeah.
Rands?
Yeah.
Malangene.
Yeah, Malangene rands. And also, I donated 251 cows to the king.
251? Same day?
Yeah, but the tool, so no, but the tool, that's the double celebration.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Shit. That's crazy.
So I want to say, my part is out in bed.
200 and something cows?
Yeah, 251.
Shit, bro, that's crazy. 250 something cows, bro. How much?
And my checks are over 20 million.
Over 20 million checks?
Yeah. Man, never send it, but never donate.
That's for the birthday.
Yeah, it's double celebration. I can say it's also 40 years in the throne.
Oh, 40 years in the throne, and also the birthday.
The birthday.
Yeah. That's crazy, bro. Crazy.
Yeah.
And there was someone who commented, bro, but like, hey, but like, yeah, I talk now. Like, I don't like to get into politics like that, deep like that.
Well,
But there's someone who commented, bro,
yeah.
about like, bro, this is unfair type shit. Like, how come, bro? Is this amount of cash to the Almighty King, bro? I respect you. And there's like someone out there like Swazis are crying and shit.
Mara but yati Mara even as Swazis we were confused. I think we were confused because bantu laba donate inkosi. Yebo hayi ukuthi inkosi maybe singathi maybe inkosi ikhuluma ukuthi sekuspend emalini from our taxes, but at different companies nabantu and I was surprised ngibonela bemnye umfundisi bathi ngibani umfundisi is justice ibe
against what
abakhuluma nje some crazy stories back then. But I was surprised naye ngibona naye aphethe lisheke naye and lana bapostela sesithombe nje lesithombe sakhe ngiyabona ngathi ngathi mjida kakhulu lo mfundisi the pastor justice yebo bekashuthile pena yaphethe lisheke lakhe. I think it was his wife ngale. Then there's a king and ubuka inkosi ubuka inkosi
bro, like, do you see we all love the king?
Yeah, we love the king.
Some people like say baba undercover, bro. They are with the masses, people who are opposing, bro. But
we love the king.
I do love the king too, bro. It's our king, bro. So many but those, bro, like when this was fake, like, bro, I'm also 6 minutes talk like, meaning I'm against the king, bro. Like,
Mara maybe not mnabas ba understand because yabona some stories thina sidiva from third part asibalanzele
nabantu
yebo third part baye ukuthi story skipha ngeversion yakhe na asina nje mina ngiyakuqoqela yabona uqoqele ngimi nami ngive somewhere sengibeka ngeversion yami mina letasuthami ukuze nikhona ukuyilalela maya mara kumele ngakusho ukuthi na happy birthday to the king.
Bro, we salute
you.
Respect you.
We
salute you.
Hey, there are a lot of stories.
Bro. Trading stories recently, bro.
This man died.
This man is crazy. But like, doctor, I feel like who like I don't mean to catch you, something like. And the story of a lady, bro, another pure, bro, performing on stage and shit, and then when she performed, bro, like. Babalega on stage.
Yeah, I've seen the video. Ngibonile le video ngathi wena ngabe ufunza nala comments labanye bathalo Jerry ngathi uya exaggerate lo.
But did she vibe back to the stage again?
I think I'm not sure who's going to be at the stage, but I think answer said an explanation why. She took off but ngikhala ngale third party because nami le story yabona third party awe exaggerate and nami ngithole umuntu lopostele video sakhuluma sayazama ukuexplainela ngeversion yakhe usebehleke kambani so fight no leti incumbi leti unnecessary mawuledi aphiwe vat ngithi mina hayi bo ya sendman phela hawu let them all let the rest in peace kahle bangapheli every time baphele kumletha nakane problem na lady hayi because une trauma yamama wakhe nanani lo maybe nje ube shocked ubona ingadi wabaleka nosuzukela uphethe trauma.
But like, do you believe her, bro? It's like really she saw the thing.
Usho ukuthi akabaleke nje
or maybe like but it's so weird dog ngabela umuntu manabaleke just like that.
There's no way.
There's no way, bro.
There's no way. Angiboni.
There's no way, bro.
Yeah. Hey.
It's tough, bro.
It's tough, Joe.
It's tough, bro.
Akunati the trend now.
There's so many stories, bro.
Last one nje kuphela last one. Hayi. Ubona le story, kuna story nje lenasi abakhuluma ngaso. Have you heard the story the George Hotel?
happened? What happened?
Bafuna ama-license okugamblisha la. And sokuba involved money laundering, aboshwa ama-China and stuff. Ma-China yaboshwa, ama-China akhishwa. Kuningi nje kuningi and nalona ngiyabona nazo story.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona sathi iningi. And but it's been trading for days.
Like, bro, can you explain what happened? Like, for real, like, what happened? Like,
Lapha,
story.
according to what I know, never but befuna lapha at the George Hotel, kwenda i-casino.
Casino, okay.
So befuna ama-license.
Yeah.
Bayakuthola ama-license, I think kumele ama-briberies. So vele usuku-bribe nani. I don't. And yabona story siqale ngokuthi there was a gambling. Angathi bekugambulishwa kuphi. Bekumana ama-syndicate bagamblisa illegally. Nani abanemishini nani.
Khona lapha at the George Hotel.
No, not at the George Hotel.
At another place.
Yeah, basho at another place, another hotel.
Oh, another hotel. Oh.
Let me feel lenza maybe khona at the George. I don't know. Because,
Yeah.
okay, let me not say kusena maybe khona because angasifundisa zonke le story mara but the bebase hotel so tough. Wabamba emntini ngetimali abakhuluma ko lapha nema bribes abaveta kuvela nama ministers bakhona ba bribe you. Namanje I'm trying to read the story kusena.
Can you read the story?
But it's been released. The police detective visited the businessman Moses Mota. Do you know Moses Mota?
Oh, Moses Mota.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not in person, but
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's under my investigation. That about the George Hotel.
Yeah.
Him called the Chinese 5 million casino license bribery scandal. Minister business partner in jail. Hey. Yabona. Kuthi kuningi nanomjita lo nalokhulumana lena naye siba investigator nayo mayelana nale story. I don't understand usenhle. Hey, angifuni lokufaka can I put my opinion kahle?
Bro, you are free. You are free.
You are free. Esaba bathi. Ngiva ngathi mina I feel like the reason why abantu ba investigate. I'm sorry kuyikhuluma, but I feel like angazi sengive ku involve the royal family like ngiva ngathi the reason why sokunama investigation
it's because there's no royal family.
Good member of royal family kule deal.
Shit.
Because yabona ever since baqala ukukhuluma ngayo angazi ngive ukuthi ukukhulunywa ukuthi maybe kunalo royal family khona la sigcina kuba kunama ministers nyalo sesiva sokunama businessmen nalama Chinese.
So when I'm trying to say ukuthi if the story there was someone from the royal, like
I don't think South Africa unless ifike khona mina. That's my opinion, by the way.
Hey, opinion yakhe there.
Yeah, opinion. Hayi kusendleleni.
Don't blame him, don't blame him, bro. Because I know the people on the comment section gonna attack my nigga, bro. Nah, don't do that. Now your opinion yakhe, dog. Now you have your own opinion, dog. Now you can say something on the comment section. Which always dog what's happening.
Yeah,
it's tough, bro.
It's tough with you.
It's tough, bro. And then the story of this mama, the prime minister. I don't know who's the prime minister Savannah type shit.
Oh, Prime Minister Savannah.
Yeah.
Hey, I love that my old lady say.
I do, bro. I feel like the old lady say she's intelligent, bro.
Yeah. Maybe
She's creative as fuck, bro.
Maybe let's check it background like I mean yabona check ala ama videos like the American accent ngathi.
Yeah.
Angathi abehlala ngale.
Nah, I think, bro. Hey, but if you hear the surname Savannah, is Savannah? Is Savannah the name? Is Savannah the name? Oh,
no, it's a surname.
Yeah.
Yeah, una accent yani maybe yeah.
She must be not from Eswatini.
Yeah, wala Swatini. My asaswala so Swatini, but there's no way angahlala ngapi angaba iminister njani.
Oh, yeah.
Mara ngicela waso yena ufundzele khona ngale or kasipana khona.
Yeah.
Yeah, the torta we're talking about the torta that.
Yeah, she was at the court or something. Or just like in the parliament.
Yeah, he was
in parliament.
Yes.
And then, I mean, what I've heard about the story, about like, bro, and I heard it speech sakhe yabo
Mm.
angiziva speech sakhe dog but like someone fired her type shit like
Yeah.
I don't know maybe it's something she did or something, but do you think there's something that she did, bro?
I believe so. Was there something she did? But Nana, in the video, she didn't go too details.
She didn't go into which like
because at the end of the day, we're more saying ukhuluma kusena. Lo mqoshile akusona lamqashile. So she must go back to work and emsebenzini is it awkward or it's tense?
It's tense, yeah.
And we are and it's in the youth pellets in the 100% behind her because uke wasitshela ngabo monetization yama-Google nanani whatever she's doing we're behind her because at the end of the day asifuna at least abasendele favor then bayendeke say
imagine monetizing your chip because now the only way they will monetize ngayo is through YouTube. Where you register with details from SA. But the other platforms, you need to very like buy. It's just like the thing of like buying my verification tick. So you see the verification.
Yes.
People buy the shit. If they buy the shit, which is like now my account is verified.
Yeah.
Yeah, they pay for this thing.
Here in Swaziland.
Yeah.
They pay for it in Swaziland.
No. I'm saying we see.
Oh,
you can pay. Yeah. Nah, I'm telling you, you can pay to be verified.
Okay.
You can pay your page to be verified.
Right,
in dollars.
Yeah, I understand you now.
So many people are verified because of just like promoting. If you've posted maybe some content in Yana on the internet, you can boost it. You can boost it video.
At least we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere.
Bro. But like, I feel like we're getting somewhere. But bantu bangaki, bro, who believe like this thing can change. That's what I think.
You mean the Google to be monetized?
Yeah.
How many people? Because I feel like if uke waqhubeka wamlalela lo mama lo the minister
Savannah
ukhulumile wasikena vele thina in Swaziland eSwatini Google does recognize and I think kufuna sibe under SADC and stuff because sitaba inamba le rights nasis under that it's a work in progress. That's why mina so long as akhona lo make ngiyosimina kena whatever she's doing, let's hope utochubeka abe minister because for me ngiva ngasimina khwala ukuthi lebeka icabangela kona iyo because phela check ukusikena ne content creation la kangwane esesedulu sesingeni lamalanga ama influencers ethu sayasebenza
and you can see ukuthi the youth, bro, they're starting to realize bro, the shit is the way. Because bro, like with content dog, you can be a businessman. You can be a business person too. You can like sell products.
Yes, you can also promote
the products.
Yes. And let's hope I saw we should send they will get along basendele because I feel like
bro. Okay. I heard them and I'm at bro. It's a work in progress.
Yeah.
Party by June, July.
But the problem look actually you said let's hope.
Because you know Swatini, bro. You know Swaziland, bro. Like everything is a process, bro.
But we're already divided by now because the Prime Minister himself ukhulumela esinye story because usikena he consulted abantu bakhe bayibuka lento lena and stuff and I feel like in a prime minister ufuna siyizonde kathi bese ithatha siyibona but about the tension between her
and the prime minister
sekanjalo
and then bro when I don't you think ukuthi hey bro, I don't know how to get into politics like I don't get into politics but you understand ukuthi ufaka ukuthi
but angiwazi mina yabo sena uyabona sa divide ke manje manje sesithatha divided because thina as youth thina we are behind noma ulate
Savannah,
usena wonke youth nje umuntu oyouth lophatha ifoni smartphone wabhayandeka usena hayi phela noma ukuthi seke naso.
Okay, but like, let me ask, bro.
Yeah.
Don't you think the PM is the one who sent the people to fire the man?
No, I don't think so. Do you know why? I feel like I think even the Prime Minister said it. It's going to because I think he is the Prime Minister. Ngifangathi nguye lo akhuluma skena angeke ucoshe umuntu ongakaqashanga. I think nguye Prime Minister. Kube bathi baqoshe iPrime Minister vele bataqoshe. Yeah, I don't think ukuthi the Prime Minister is involved qoshana nani. Maybe I saw hope maybe the Prime Minister itayibona lento sayidzinga le mali Prime Minister.
We do, bro.
Yeah, this one the message yangu Prime Minister sayidzinga le mali nje.
We do, bro.
Still we are unemployed. Siyacela
Please.
let this thing be monitored. Let it be monetized.
Monetize, bro. Everything can be, bro.
Sayifuna le mali economy.
Oh, we have, bro. Because right now the only way, bro, to monetize is through YouTube.
Yeah.
The other platforms is hard, bro.
It's in YouTube, but na Facebook. I've been looking
People are making
lo maolet lo sis lo wala Mpumalanga Shwapa is Maki.
yeah. Maki the Super Queen. The Super Queen.
Yeah.
The Magalo Yaita, bro. Like
Facebook ayayidla lo mama. Ngakandlela ngibona ngayo. La ngibone la kuma socials ngibona ngase mawulet lo down to earth.
Down to earth. Yeah.
Ngumaka wasegazi kahle.
Yeah, I mean, I think the mommy, bro, she's like, bro, when it's time to work, I work.
Yeah.
I make people laugh. I make people laugh. When it's time to work, I have to make people laugh. I have to keep the people like engaged to my content. I feel like when it's now is real life, she forgot she's getting another role. It's like now I'm a mother because like she's a mother. Right?
Yeah, she's a mother.
I'm getting down to another role. I'm a mother now. I think she's balancing everything, bro.
Yeah. She's balances
everything. Yeah.
Maybe angasiphendulela umbuto loyiwani kusikena.
Yeah.
How does she feel? Kusebenza comfortable. Asebenza angekho under pressure. Just kusikena yena usuba sembi kwecamera kweni content yakhe. At the end of the day.
With this sad type shit.
No, SARS. Listen, but the more later ngithi I can say she's a meta baby. Uholelwa ngumatha.
Yeah, for sure.
Ngithi mina ke how does she feel?
How does she feel?
Asebenze comfortable usena mina for me to work. Funa ngibe ne data, ngibe ne camera, ngishoot content yami then
only private
I'm
space.
Looking at numbers. Diyakhula at the end of the day. Usena ngithola emalini ngihamba ngothenga i-Ford Range. Angizohamba nge-Ford Range.
Yeah. How much is it? How much is a Ford Range?
I'm not sure. I don't think
600K and above.
No, it's a second hand. It was a second hand. But
I think what it's probably
decent.
About the I think but what about 200K.
Yeah, about 200K. Yeah, I can say what it's decent. And ngibone nemuzwakhe kusena urenovate. Uqala business, salon nanani. Yabo siyasebenza. That's why ngisimine again asikhaleni. We must beg the Prime Minister kusena this thing ayendeke phana semseshe.
Bro. What did the Prime Minister do?
I'm not.
What did the Prime Minister do like?
Uthi iPrime Minister yona ithi tekena ibonisene nabantu labo bonisa consult someone else wathi yena ucela umcheckele lento nayo
Kuthi
kusena yebo ene phela nakakhuluma le story sakhe yena lapho is like hayi nakhuluma lapha eParliament kusena is like isithi vele nguye yini lo Google lona kahle into ebo Google ngoba maybe kufa lo skena siya expose nana I'm very understand ukuthi expose kuphi phela kusena thina sifuna imali into lemco iyoti ifuna imali ifuna we need to get paid.
Yeah.
Content creation we need to get paid.
You need to get paid for sure.
Mara yena wahamba siyakhuluma sasena hayi maybe akusiyo lento yama social media nani.
Oh maybe he thought this was forex.
No, utitshela ukuthi maybe into ema-terrorists and stuff.
Scam and shit.
Yebo-ke,
Bro,
ufuna
bro.
uku-expose.
Okay, I understand it, but he does watch internet, right?
And unebantwana mina yena njengababeli umzala.
Yeah.
Bengisinandlela ibhenga ngathi mina maybe umzala I understand usonikalana. Mara abantu bakhe lahlala nabo anzi before abe prime minister, he's a dad, he's a brother, he's an uncle. Kuya lena le. Abantu bakhe bathini phela ngoba because ngicabanga ukuthi le nye into akuthinga usena ukutiyela i-office ukuze ube ne-knowledge yado akuthingakala usena uconsult abantu uspend imali. Nembana yakho lento yeyouth. Maybe unamba lo youth omncane.
The youth ubukela all
Yebo,
internet shit like.
ekusekhambani.
I understand.
Yebo, understand this. Yena sayicela le mali.
I want this content cash accept.
Sayicela Joe,
If you want this content cash accept like ngani bro. Ngani bro.
Sayifuna Joe. Hey,
we have to get it.
Khambani South Africa.
Hey, Kabza the small.
Yeah, Kabza the small. Hey, yeah.
Bro.
Hey.
What did Kabza the small do?
Kabza the small and the
Huluman like but he was doing the vocals and shit.
Yeah, some of the songs those gonna be the vocalist yeah, Kabza. But apart
okay, bro. When if you watch the story, say like when I send that to you.
Man, according to me, okay, ngisibonile le video yakhe akhuluma.
Yeah.
Mara ngabese ke sengibukela lalabazama kusichaza. Ngabo sena umjida uKabza abenda ubuntu, yabona? Usena abesebenza nemjida. Ba into lebekade yena bethi ngekho contracted usena contract wise.
Or the Huluman.
Let me make an example. Mina nawe siyaphila nabona. When you are pursuing your career, yabona? Mina I'm with you. Let me say as a friend. Nasokuqala ukuphumelela mina bese I'm hoping use njengoba ngikubhekela maybe ukubhekela nangabe because kakhuluma nestaff other staff usena there was a funeral maybe kuKabza abe khona la manje dabeka natha yena beka Shalpiki
oh yeah
you was hoping uskena angithi this quote lesikena you'll never still don't shall slow mara but I will try bro I will eat with the people that are starved to eat. Yabona. Maybe yena uqhube ube nale mentality leyo ukusena hayi umjida mnyalo. Kabza nyalo he's eating. I was with him back then. We were starving so.
Kansi their stories like it's like Batana from way back.
Yeah, I think Batana from way back.
Like do you blame him?
Kabza.
No, like the
man. Yeah, I don't blame him
for complaining say.
Yeah, I don't blame him. I don't blame him at all because.
I don't accept, bro.
Yabona siphile sonke. Mara songijikela kanjani? So I just because they are so much that sensing. Banganti bakho sengilabo ke. And postile naye Kabza nje. Waposta wakhuluma IG wakho, waposta story eish.
Don't buy the hand that feeds you.
Yeah, but
no. Can you read the code?
It's saying don't buy the hand that feeds you when you are full. Then turn right around and expect the handouts when you are starving again.
Oh,
okay. About there's the story. There's the story behind the
code.
The saga. I think there's a story. Yeah, because. Maybe I can understand him in Kabza here.
Yeah.
But lesinye I don't actually follow ukuthi kahle uzochaza kuthini. Yabona asena people blame others for their failures, never overcome them. They simply move from problem to problem. To reach your potential, you must continually improve yourself, and you can't do that if you don't take responsibility for your actions. Learn from your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Okay.
Continue, bro.
Okay, iphelele uphosa yaphelela la bara umjida yabona umjida wakho ndanga awukhulumi noma ngabe mina sengiyafeyile empilweni awungitsheli ukuthi ngeke ngiyifeyile yabona hayi
because wena vele you need to be hlezi on my side
you are supportive
no bro like ngihlala siganga type
uyangisupporta endanga hayi
don't do
and
that.
I feel like mina umjida bekufuna kabza ngalendlela mina ngimbona ngayo i-character yakhe ngalendlela yabona umjida nalo phasi I think bekufuna i-address ngale ndlela nothi ngema-IG stories nanani
IG stories and shit
ngiva ngathi lo sokuphenduka i-amateur nakasendeka so.
But what is happening really like with the music industry and shit? Because it's not only piano, even hip hop. You can see it's like
yabona okay so sorry ukujubela lapho because nangibona le story lesi bese ngikhumbula story sa Big Zulu namdudu Sincube kuphuma kayingabi ngiyabi records avule yakhe records wena according ngendlela obuka ngayo wena kwendekalani or ungatsala side labani was it a good move usena mdudu Sincube aphume lapha kayingabi records okay I can understand usena umjiji ufuna ukukhula mara ngale ndlela laphume ngakhona and ngale ndlela lento ngakhona manje because there's a lot of stories itolo ngibuke ukhala Aubrey yambona this guy bathi Aubrey Aubrey ncwana khona lapho ke lo uyahlabela tingoma man maybe amada umjida asengocheck ipick yakhe umjida yakhala phela release ingoma wona sa release ingoma na mjida o release ingoma naye lenhloko letifanayo enilecisha ifane yabona bomongalo usena ene usikena bakhulumile naye usena kuseconga release lengoma because mina
release
so kuqala kwenye
competition ukuthi
because nangiva lo mjida usikena hayi phela lo mjida lona yena usebenzisa i-connection yakhe because kule yakhe ingoma sofake powerful people kule industry so muka vele sofana usumuka sinkwetafuleni
because sibatha ufanana on the street is like
there's no way sibatha ukhipha ingoma mjida recent yabona yona so keep ingoma sonema giants la ku music industry because nangiyibuka angayibuka kahle mara but I think inabumakazi kule ngoma obvious yabona
it's when who
it's introduced
in Makazi
maybe I think unamthandeni
actually a music video, right? There's a music video for the song.
I'm not sure.
I've seen a music video where was street scene and shit. What on the street?
Let me
confirm too. Because I think they are sitting on the street, Makazi singing and shit.
It's a lot, it's a lot. That's why I'm just mean yabona kusena le April.
Yeah. April is busy, bro. But Makazi is popular in Limpopo, bro.
Not only in Limpopo, everywhere. That's a ngoma itu maqondana. Lo mjidi ukhiphe maqondana and nalo wakhipha maqondana. Feature Makazi kuphela. Written featuring Makazi. Look at the store now. Ikanje.
Ngithatha isikhathi ngayibhalela ingoma khanda concept ngayenza ngayirecorda ngayiposta ngayipusha ngayidrop
mbona facial expression
ukwenza the same thing wenza the same concept anginendaba negama lengoma but the same concept pho hayi bafethu kade bafethu ngilokhu ngithula bafethu ngenza islim bafethu left and right ngilokhu ngithula enxa ukuthuba mhlawumbe nje mhlawumbe abantu ngiyabasaba angibasabi mina mfethu umduduzi ngamtshela mina ukuthi angayenza into lenze wayenza ngenkani ukuthi awungafuni ngiyabona akafuni ukulinda mina bafethu ngikhathe lokhu ngathi ngiphenduka unyuka ngaso sonke isikhathi mfethu uma ukuthi umntwana unenkinga nami mfethu mina ngamnika i-address yami mfethu soyixoxa face to face noma ngifikele mina
mina mjida lomduduzi hayi ngathi le fame vele imngene ekhanda Big Zulu washo ngathi le fame imngene ekhanda and lento lena it is downfall It's going down Lomjita.
Open one.
No, not Aubrey,
Tutuzi.
Tutuzi. It's going down. Because Mboyo sana uphume ngala and uzoshaya ama-pics yabona Lomjita la shoot naye la.
Ngiyambona.
Phela lento lena kahle Lomjita lona is trying to provoke Big Zulu. Ngale picture le. Kahle. How can you provoke that Lomjita? How can you provoke Zulu? Uphuma under isikhambani. So tivanga so vale fame wena then so tshela kuswati kakhulu.
Crazy.
Mara pas mina all I can say shout out to Bocola Majida la loyal because ngambone na kuma Facebook postile akhuluma ngeloyalty yakhe towards Big Zulu. Shout out to him. I gonna kuningi. Oh, tell me about the beef. Yala Majida was my man.
Hip hop, bro.
On hip hop side.
Don't even start, say. Like, bro, everything started between Blake and Lucas. Lucas Raps.
Yeah.
Fata and also Lucas Raps and Blakey, they are no longer together and shit. The Blakey is with Kill Brady. Lucas Raps, I don't know what's on his side. So yeah. And then
okay, we can only assume shots gonna in man, that's gonna say that was my man because
yeah, Lucas Raps,
yeah,
I think
we can assume.
Yeah, I assume, bro. I think Lucas Raps before was my man. But like my man talk, mean okay, like story exactly about this thing was like was my man and Kill Brady. It's like they were arguing about Gucci, bro. How can you check? Can you check the story, bro?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Oh, here's the story. Look at the story because check
the beef between South African rappers Mama and Chikatana is heated. The new wave. Oh, he sends us accusations of being industry brands. Yeah.
The industry plans is my man.
It's just my man, yeah.
The Nepo babies, because my privileges.
Privileges just because they were from rich families and shit.
Yeah. Can you elaborate on that story? So stars wena or ufaka opinion yakho about this beef nje.
Bro, I think like everyone is trying to prove a point. Because bro, I'm better than they are. I think it's my man is trying to show could see because it's my man like he's under a label.
Yeah.
It's under record label.
That's why I
Chikatana and Kill Brady, bro, they're independent.
I think it's a 50-50 because I can say
how is
the guy in our industry plant. Because he's under this big record label. And Lendwana Lena has privileges.
Ngani on the track. His track is my man the one lady. What's the name of the track? What's the name of the track that released? This track.
This track for who's my man?
Yeah. Because like he released like 2 DCs. Is it Hate Twin? No, it's not Hate Twin, it's the other one. What's the name of the other one? The new one.
I am not.
The new one is like but whatever. Like on the track, I say, someone over like bro, they didn't put him on. Like he snatched the throne, like everything that I know right now is because he fought for it. He fought for it. Kill Brady, he's saying like he was put on by Bob Blakey. Yeah.
Okay. Kahle wena. What's your view? Okay, when do you believe him? Usmay man uskena. Yena uskena. Mara pas mina usmay man ngumati mina feature shibo.
Post
Java. Mina kakhulu mina ngumati.
Yeah, on the track. Kill Brady yasho bro uthi Java put you on.
No mina
because the song Uvalo, right? The Uvalo like which was a viral track. Like a track clear trend type shit. And the hit, what by hit if the type shit. The hit they nice Java. People are saying that like if Java was not on the song, the track wouldn't perform like.
Yeah, I wanna very because let's be honest. Uyabona uthi bona boSimayimane nabasekhona bona bakhona sibeva bebakhona bo Black yabona besilalela kathine attention yethu be Black kakhulu ngendlela ebahle because yabona ngendlela abale tune yabo becishe ifane.
But like, who do you think is dope, boy? Black or Usimamane, bro? Who do you think is big?
It's big.
Can you research which, bro? Who do you can you ask Google right now? Who
Okay,
do you
let
think
me
is
check.
who do you think is big between Usimamane and Black?
Okay, before
Wanna say
asichazela
something?
before asichazela
Yeah.
wena who do you think is big?
Black is big, bro.
Nami I think so because nobukela angimlandzeli kakhulu na Black.
Black is big, bro.
Angimlandzeli kakhulu na Black mara ukwale ngambona aku Sprite was sponsored by Sprite or ngathi bana sport as Sprite because kunama cans bukakhona nakhona. Yabona ukuthi bengama adverts futhi ka Sprite nani amkhulu nje. Sesingacheka nje kusena uspeak.
Can you check who's big?
Yeah, let's confirm.
They think Black is big, bro. Cause say, I think Black has been through a lot of shit than Usimamane. But Blackie on Instagram status about like, bro, I'm cooking something for the beef. Now you wanna get into the beef, etc. Cause you know when Blackie like, I raise an check layer, bro. It'll be the dead of Usimamane, bro. Usimamane will be dead, bro.
But maybe okay, not in fact ngiphuma kancane. Sicela ukuthi kungabe sekuvuka ama district nala Swatini. Sicela kulalela yase South Africa kancane. Ngabe sina disana nani. Ngikhona siyanifila, we feel you. And sayithanda ipeace lenayo. Ngingaqala nje ndisane nina. Sesilalele leya laba base South Africa kuphela.
Fuck the peace, bro. Fuck the peace, etc. Where there is money, there is noise, machine. So if you like him, prefer like a piece over Saka, bro. You gotta ufuna ube nemsindo nje so that into ba green. Where there is noise, there is money, bro.
Let me check.
What is Google saying?
Okay, in the current South African landscape.
Black is Wally. Okay.
Sayiphelele hawu right.
We're done. Black is big, bro. Black is big and dope. What do you say?
Yeah. I mean, I'm with you. Yeah.
We're not saying Uti is not coming through Usimamane. Usimamane naye. It's popular, but compared to Blackie, bro.
That's the problem. The problem yendeka kanje kusena. Angathi mjita we are hoping ngalendlela uyakhuphuka ngakhona uSimayimane. Ukhuphukile bese uyema. Because there's this guy lengibone naye azama ukuveta opinion yakhe lana skena. Yeah, numbers don't lie. Mjita umile. Maybe I keep it. Maybe let's hope usena. The beef between them yalo. Maybe itambuyise the gaming. Because there's something that's there because now you keep you feel him. Now we feel him, Joe.
It's tough, bro. It's
It's a lot.
It's a lot, bro. It's a lot. And I know Bobo Nota out there, like I say, you know Nota, right? The music pause. Hey, bro, Nota is always talking trash, talking shit, bro, about everyone, like say. And then they will talk about the thing of like Reese and his crew. Actually, Aries, bro, used to have a crew way back.
Aries?
Yeah, Aries before he got out of the label type shit.
Before or after Sakapumi label?
After Sapumi. And then I was like, bro, after I put me on the label, like, what is cover? Crew type shit.
Yeah, la puto akala msala base le benchmark.
Benchmark, yeah. And then that boy, he was with like 15 niggas, bro.
I remember.
So, bro, like it very like the people, the person who put them on, just Aries, bro. When Reese, bro, decided to go accept, bro. Now I don't want these people next to me, bro. It was the dead of their careers, bro.
Okay.
We don't know them now. Some of them. We know only a few.
Where is Reese? Yena Reese.
Bro, oh, this is out here, bro. This is
He's
out here.
cooking.
Oh, bro. I wonder if you're a hip hop head or hip hop fan type shit, you know very well who's bro. Reese is in the game. I understand, bro, why you're asking. Cause Reese is an underdog.
Yeah, the reason ngibude kanje it's
Because he's an underdog.
The problem yakhe Reese usena yena Reese bese beka compete yabona ya competition yabo Casper in the later ke yena Reese phela bese mfaka na STC.
STC that's
phela bese mcompetition na STC yabona. That's why ngibude usena kwendekalani kahle nyalo after sekaba dropile.
He's successful now.
Successful.
I'm saying, bro, he's well off now.
Uthi Nota uthini because Nota kuthi vela ngayakhe.
That's like I was saying, bro. It's not a bro. Now Reese is well off because he doesn't have any nigga next to him besides his brother and his girlfriend, bro.
Mara pacha kucheka lo mjidelo kwaNota kusena yonke into lokuyikhulumako. Lo mjidelo ukhuluma ama facts kuphela.
Facts, bro. And I might do believe that, bro.
Excuse me. Yeah, the problem nekhona kuthini? Uyakhuluma nokhuluma ama facts, but the problem kulemhlaba lesiphila kuwo kule industry akufuni ukukhuluma kahle vele mara bemkomperisha basike na Kanye West was South Africa. Yeah, the problem lekhona between him and Kanye West kusena Kanye West is a billionaire. Yeah, mara pasi uyakhuluma netonga nto latikhuluma I think
it makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. Maybe one day nathi sitayifuna advice from him because my advice that's going to keep abantu. Once you take advice from him, you become successful because he can name a few.
Imagine he pull up on this podcast. Logisa push Logisa saying so.
One day.
Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing.
One day
with the chase, bro.
Yeah, it's been happening.
It's been happening, bro.
Adnotendeka. Siyakona. And hey. In South African politics, you go check the story side.
Malema. Yeah, sorry. Says 5 years imprisonment.
Marapati, in 5 years in prison, this guy has been found guilty and he's been sentenced. Mara uleleka sentencing. I like the prison.
Bro. One thing about Malema, he's smart, intelligent, bro.
But me never saw worried. Oh yeah, he's very intelligent. I can understand that, but I was worried. Not I don't mean to be racist and stuff, but I mean I had a problem nyana nangithola the judge. Lingumlungu, yabona. I was worried, but at the same time I was and I put it now little judge be under pressure because I felt like we bas lo mjita lo ulele prison.
Yeah.
South Africa was going to go on fire.
Type shit.
Do you remember if you can
because they are saying, bro, Malema is the one that is holding politics in SA.
Yeah, and lo mjita lo unema followers amaningi he's a president of the EFF.
Yeah.
Uyakhumbana story nazo sendeka in KZN na kutoboshwa president we MK Party Baba Julius Baba Jacob Zuma. Jacob Zuma bamboba back then. South Africa. I felt like the reason why mjita bambophile mara hamba wala lekhaya because babasaba ukuthi they the same thing.
Ambo.
Yeah, bambeka behind bars.
Everything was going to be
there was going to be chaos. There's going to be chaos, but at least in South Africa, I do. But in South African politics, yeah, I follow them a lot. Yeah, I follow them a lot. Because let me find it in your sense. Akasumvulo tribalist. akaso xenophobic. Maybe belungu beve ngathi xenophobic nakakipe le story takhe tabo kill one what mara but ngizi thina bo black I feel like unathi sonke because phela lo mjidalo lo bekasikena why isiphele kuba nema borders nani because why isivile singawisi lama borders be united sonke
SA and Swaziland.
Yes, no, not only Swaziland. Africa as a whole.
Africa as a whole, it'll be one thing.
Yeah, I said let it be one thing. What I can say, and the reason me, personal, I feel like the reason.
That's the right thing.
No, Baba against it. It's because bantu bafuna kuba nema powers yabo. Yabona ngabe dasikena Swaziland in South Africa, they must be one thing.
Yeah.
Yabo sena maybe kuba na prime minister liwa. Kwala banye bathole mathuba yabona kanti njalo semaningi ama prime minister nema ministers ngaSwatini nema ministers angadala yabo seminingi
yeah I feel it
ene ekuningi ene nangibuka bengibuka le madlanga commission le madlanga yakhona le awangivele bakhipha igama la le crowdmoney le yase Cape Town bathi Kevin McKenzie Minister of Sport
yeah
This guy was in the prison.
Yeah.
Wapoma prison. Fast. So my politics, so prime, so minister and stuff. And imagine. So my allegations. You go say now, Big Five.
Yeah.
South African cartels.
Yeah. Shit.
Man, I see about the stories of Charles Ganjan. This guy began general number 26.
Yeah. Prison.
Yeah, okay, wapoma ngena ama politics.
Yeah.
Politics. Prison.
Yeah.
Fast nyalo sokuthiwa nyalo it's alleged.
Yeah.
Uskena uma Big Five.
Yeah.
Do you believe
the
is it possible in kusena ngaba kule Big Five?
Bro,
Can it be a cartel?
Bro, I do believe.
Me too, I do believe. But
because if by general must be 26. If you say he was a general, bro.
Ene phela namjida is street smart lo mjida lo mina for me.
Yeah,
I can also maybe ngismine ikhona possibility. Lo mjida phela lo is very smart.
Type shit.
It's very smart. Street smart kahle. Strategy yasathi. Yasathi lo mjida. Strategy because now buke history yakhe. Vele bamjida wa strategy. So yachinja even though ke sibage isilethethinto bese uba xenophobic because xenophobic because in South Africa mina I feel like nawufuna kungena in the political space ufuna ube xenophobic immediately wathi xenophobic wathi wena hayi bantu ama foreigners bathi they must go you have their attention uba na attention yabo
because better you see with bro about racism are you paid at all
mara ngicabanga i-racism yendiwayo bamla bamhlophe or ngisina bamla bamnyama lokuthi ichubeke nje bekhona mina I feel like mina personally
bamhlophe
no
the black people
the black people I mean I believe was even the racist word that's someone bamla bamnyama because I've been
bro
I say
bro you do know what is the white But talk now, I'm sure at school we find this.
Yeah, phela vele befundisa but mina yathi why ke sena mina
yeah
then we come ngene labamnyama
yeah
there was an activist lebe by interview back then bambuta umuntu sena can a black man be racist what there's no ways what do you mean by that yabo skena this thing usena is biased one sided it's only us it's ngakho singakhona ukukhuluma nebelungu basi ba racist towards us but thina ngeke sibe racist towards them.
I feel it bro
ngiyos mina I feel like and have you seen umlungu ahamba maybe aye kuma court askena this black dude was racist to me it's only us the only nemlungu waboshwa waba prosecuted
so bro you saying bro racist doesn't exist to the white anymore.
To the white, it doesn't.
Yeah, bro.
The problem is what's going to
it does, bro.
No, that's the problem here today. Since bathi bona nabasiniketa this
Yeah.
freedom, this independence. Angithi back then they were making us slaves. But now saying okay, we're giving you independence. Aqhamuka neligama lelisha. Angithi back then we were slavery.
Yeah.
Basically under slavery. Yes, that's no. Because aseba ama-slaves, that's they are racist ke manje. And futhi if you can ubuka kahle tonke leti tori. Thina as black people, we are more concerned nge-history yethu than i-future. Everything.
But like, I feel like, bro, sekuncane lokho right now. Kukhona, but small amount, bro. People are now like bayahlakanipha, but they're getting more like knowledgeable, bro.
But mina personally, ngama-research, my own research, I don't think we can say we're intelligent.
The black people.
Technology from the white. Because so back then before kunama social media they belong they are ahead of us. Logic. Back then ufuna ukukhumbula back then back then belungu bebalethe ama-volunteer kusatohlala naso lamakhaya atosuthatha ingcono and mina call volunteer lake lahlala ekhaya hayi bo lifuna kunifunza osenibhizi ngani enzamba mali diary yalo akasisokude kakhulu ama-volunteer sebasibamba nge-social media because everything sesi-expose ku-social media yabona phela ubonayo phela most of the times itori tethu thina sizi-expose kuma-socials angeke ukuthi ive ama-secrets abamhlophe abe-exposed kuma-social media.
Facts. Yeah,
there's no, you can't.
Only the black people.
We don't know culture ebelungu. It's very secret. Mara thina ama-culture zethu thina are exposed nani. And abantu labo nase bangas recognize ithini usikela they can't invite us to their table. We feel like they're being racist and stuff. Mara but thina logic wise sicabanga slowly. Everything phela bona phela everything even if namuhla singafuna kulwa, let's say sifuna kulwa lenzaba ya Google, we'll take this shit to social media. Siyalwa thina siyalwa nani asibe on the ground ukuthi ekuseni lento lena siya overcome kanjani thina nje as youth.
But like, can you blame us though? Because like if we post something on the internet, we're expecting my reaction from the people. But do
you understand?
So they're gonna fight for us.
Okay.
Social media is power, bro.
God, there's no way. There's no war. You can fight on a comfortable. Yeah. On your phone, using data. You will fight war. There's no ways. War is bloodshed. Okay. There've been wars all around the world. Let me say, for instance, Ukraine versus Russia. Bapostile sibakhalisile. We've even posted ama-flags abo ase-Ukraine. Sendeni honest uthina siyareacta phela. Sihlele ekhaya. Okay, asengikube kusele okay ngibe ngento lelula lethudane nasi. Yeah, ama-terrorists, this so-called terrorists, but ama-terrorists, political address alaswatini. Aboshiwe manje prison. Sendani manje. Stories zabo besivumile besathi South Africa, even in America, sivelile. There was I'm not sure bekunama awards, certain awards, call me chair wakhuluma lapha bona. Wasikena let's pray for Eswatini. Bagcine lapho kwenteka leni. Baboshiwe manje prison. Namhlanje even if you can post isithombe salamajida, start react, yes, siyakhuluma la. Senda
not doing shit in real life.
Not in fact, okay, ngicela abantu bangi-understand kahle. Not usikena sonke, yabona, mara 90% yethu sawuqala ku-social media. Akhona ama-activists maybe on the ground that are still fighting their metal here. Mara ingcumbi yethu thina, mina for me, I feel like i-social media njengokudumisa phela. Akusithi nganzawo, like there's no ways, yeah. In South Africa maybe bebana lemcondo. Mara but mara nayo le social media. Yabona the reason is mina ke na hayi. Thina as black people are benefiting ngayo. Lebe ma social media and stuff because intelligence But laba more intelligent ngale nto le social media. It's the
the
white.
white.
Not us. That's why I guess mina again.
So na bro, I hear you bro. So when I talk overall we are saying bro, Tine, you are not that smart.
Ah, we're smart.
We're smart, bro.
We're very smart.
We're smart, bro.
That's the problem you say na yini. Okay, so we're smart.
We are smart, say everyone is smart now, bro.
And nangalendlela.
Yeah.
The problem, okay, we are very smart, we are very intelligent. I don't dispute that.
Yeah.
But I mean, I feel like the approach towards the future yethu. Sifuna and the history lesifuna kuthini. The history le very dumb because thine kahle kahle into lesimcoka ngayo is the slavery part. Before slavery bekwenteka nani. Thine lesingafuna mina lengafisa sekufunza.
Yeah.
Kusena before slavery bekwenteka la. Singasibuki slavery. Fuck the slave.